Hello, boys and girls. You have just watched a video about Carla's sandwich and what silly sandwiches she made. So today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating your own silly sandwich. And I'm going to just get you started. We're going to start off with our super industrial black crayons. Now, I'm going to give you a couple choices. We can make the top of our sandwich with maybe a piece of bread. We can make the top of our sandwich with a bun. And then we can put some little seeds on there. We want to. Or we can turn our paper this way and make a sub sandwich. And then, of course, we need the bottom piece. So I'm just going to put the bottom piece down here and the bottom piece here. Now, here's where you're going to be creative. You're going to think of your own kind of sandwich. Well, some of the things I like to do, I'm thinking about things I like to do. I'm going to put a paintbrush in here. And I'm going to put maybe a tube of paint on here. My favorite color in here. Maybe, let's see, what else should I put on here? Oh, my palette of paint. Let's see, let's do a pencil. So you see how I have a theme going on? You can do any kind of theme that you would like to do. Let's see, what other things artists use? Crayons. So think of a theme. It might be Minecraft. It might be My Little Pony. Did I know My Little Pony anymore? I'm not sure. I like to do printing as well. And this is actually a piece of wood that has marks in it like this. And I'll do a sponge. So here is my silly sandwich. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to color your sandwich. And we'll use markers today. So we're going to color our sandwich nice and neatly with markers today. So we have some really nice markers. To color your sandwich. All right, now it is your turn to come up with a silly sandwich and create your own kind of sandwich. We can put some tools in our sandwich. We can put maybe some funky food, maybe foods that you don't like. You can put in like maybe asparagus or cabbage or Brussels sprout sandwich. Or we can put in liver sandwiches. Ew, I don't like liver. All right, guys, have fun making your silly sandwiches. I can't wait to see them. Bye.